Every day the demands on world technology infrastructure continue to rise. It is hard to concentrate on growing your company and stay competitive in the current IT business. When you are always trying to manage, fix or update your IT infrastructure by yourself, the current challenges to become accustomed to new technologies coupled with inflexible IT, escalating management expenses and marginal scalability also limit businesses' capacity to innovate and expand. How can you take advantage of emerging technologies when you are under huge pressure to increase efficiency, improve service and availability and cut costs for better returns? You need a partner that can effectively manage your IT infrastructure and let you focus on growing your business, staying competitive, and supporting your clients. Its support by TronixCenter.com has a team of highly qualified and dedicated IT experts with many years of experience in installing and managing complex IT systems.